How to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. If you want to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable, it's quite simple to do so. Open up Facebook and go to the Facebook Marketplace option. Here just tap on the profile like icon, then go to your listings. If you want to make first of all a post shareable, first make sure that it is marked as available. So once you make sure that it's marked as available, you can tap the three dots option, tap on share listing, and you can copy the link and share it to Newsfeed, or you can copy the link and send to Messenger or any of the other people that you prefer for that matter. This way you will be able to make a Facebook Marketplace post shareable. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.